Today we are going to see a new command, 3D new command, shell. What exactly shell and how to shell means it removes the material from solid body and to create a thin wall feature. So this body we created in our last lecture. So we will see what is exactly shell. So just select shell command. Now here it is asking thickness. Select 3 mm. And select the face which we want to remove the material. So let's select this face, and here two options, shell outward, shell preview. So select shell preview. Now you can see the shell preview. It's going to remove the material from inside. If you will click outward, see, so the exact material going to remove what is the body, your dimension of body. Select OK. See, it is become hollow or shell. This is the use of shell command. Just edit it, and if you want to remove another face also, so select this face. You can select more than one face. Select OK. Now see, it removes the material from two sides. So this is the very useful and very helpful command in SolidWorks. We have to use in many projects and many